In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your account role in Asana. This process is a bit like customizing your settings in Asana, and it just takes a few simple steps. It's a great way to ensure that Asana can better understand your needs and, in turn, provide you with tailored tools and offers. First, let's start by heading over to your Asana account. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to a whole bunch of personalized settings and preferences that you can adjust according to your specific requirements. After you click on your profile, the next thing you want to do is navigate over to the Settings option. You'll find this easily within the drop-down menu that pops up. This is where all your account settings reside, allowing you to tailor various aspects of your Asana experience. Once you're in the Settings window, take note that you're on the Profile tab. If you're not already there, make sure you switch over to it. On this tab, you'll want to scroll down a little bit until you see a drop-down menu labeled Roles. This is the key area where you'll be setting your account role. Now, go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. You'll be presented with several roles to choose from. Select the one that best matches the way you use Asana. Once you've selected the appropriate role, you're all set. This simple action allows Asana to gain insights into your role and function, which helps refine the features and offers they provide you going forward. And just like that, you've customized your account role. By doing so, you've taken a proactive step towards optimizing your use of Asana. It's such a quick and easy task, yet it can have a significant impact on how Asana services are fine-tuned for you. That's it for today. With your role now set, you can go on to explore more of what Asana has to offer. Remember, this task, although quick, can lead to more personalized assistance and tool suggestions tailored specifically to your work style. So, whenever you're ready to dive deeper or make further changes, just head to your profile settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Asana tips and tricks.